Hello everyone, and how are you? In this video I will talk about mental disease in Europe. The mental disease is an illness that affects the nerves of body, sometimes because of our brain or due of our belly. The brain is the architect of our movement, seat of our thought. There is two kinds of a brain tumor, benign and malignant. The neurosurgery science say the benign tumor turns to malignant with the time if it doesn't remove. The people can distinguish between the things with their mind, and that is the difference between the human and the animals. The belly is the second brain that can make many diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. The brain or the belly or both can change our behavior and our psychological or lose memory to be mad or abnormal person. Those diseases don't happen to someone by coincidence. There is something wrong, maybe that person subjected to an act of torture or other cruel, inhuman, or degraded treatment or body punishment and so on. The people with a good health must understand those people and stop to attack their life because they need special treatment to be normal. Unfortunately, the authority arrests them to put them in the prison or in the hospital, psychiatric and nervous, to increase their pain and their symptoms because it considers they become unuseful to live in the society. The fascists and the oppressors and the oppressed always make that decision of them behind the scenes. For the time being, the hospital becomes a source of smart crime to kill people and their advantages step by step to test them with dangerous medication fabricated in the laboratory. In that case, if the evidence isn't available, the investigation will be very difficult to know the truth. I don't understand if we committed a crime against someone, we waiting him to be our friend. Did we think so? Let's take a look at taken in charge of the mental disease in Europe. There is no support for this kind of sickness in European countries because maybe it costs the state a lot of money. The government ignores the mental disease because the person ill mentally sometimes can't work to get money to treat themselves and survive. Or maybe they don't save enough money in their life before to pay for treatment. In this case, either his family help him to survive or he live in the street and to be stingy. The migrants like refugees have already a health rights. Unfortunately, the big people like mayor, minister or president discriminate them to treat their illness in order to achieve a specific political goal just and not to help them. For me, as victim of medical error in CHU Hospital of Nantes in France on March 2016 and badly treated more than 5 years, that causes me a brain tumor and an abdominal problem, and I can't be treated until now, August 2021. I have already many MRIs, cerebrals in France in 2017, in 2018 two times, in 2019, 2020, and in Germany too I have 2 MRIs, cerebrals on December 2020 and 2021 to confirm the brain tumor. I think I will have MRIs cerebral until I die from my mental disease. From that accident I suffering physical and mental, and every day I sleeping a lot of time to reduce my pain a little bit. It was a murder attempt. I have already right by the law to treat those illness and to have my compensation. Unfortunately, I can't get it because the problem doesn't solve with justice, neither out of court, and more than 25 lawyers refuse to help me in France because of high authority. I think I don't come back again to a judicial act anymore. Always the criminals cover to their colleagues on the same act because both they agree about the crimes for political reasons. I understand the student must respect the teacher and I appreciate that, but the professor isn't be offender and read. I know the subject now is very complicated. That is why I will not be a communist one day in my life, neither left nor right party. I'm completely free in my thought and independent, and I hate to belong a person after the crime common against humanity committed of my own life, and the problem always there. That is impossible. We must understand if I speak or go out with people or I go some places, it doesn't mean I belong to them. The mosque is Allah's house and you afraid from it, I don't leave it. I live over there if possible because this is my belief. I'm not against someone either Muslim or Christian or Jewish. I defend just for my rights as victim that mentioned earlier. That is it. Good news. At last some people observe my change in Berlin. Maybe that will be shift point. I think we'll see. Okay, I think that is everything I wanted to say about mental disease in Europe. If you have any question about this amazing fact, feel free to send me an email or reach me on an Instagram writing here in below this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.